how's it going? This is going to be a tour video for this beautiful Rolex Daytona. This is the Panda Daytona with the white dial, stainless steel, and a black ceramic bezel. The reference number on this is 116500LN. Super beautiful watch, and can't wait to show it off to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some gloves. And here is the beautiful watch. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact condition of the watch, show you all the functions, making sure everything's working, show you all the set contents and everything that this comes with. There's the outer box. I'll go ahead and put that behind. Here's the inner box. And here is the beautiful watch. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this on the pillow for now. Show you just how beautiful this watch is. You know, that beautiful tachymeter bezel on the black ceramic. We have a nice sapphire crystal. And we have this beautiful white dial with some black subdial rings. Let's go ahead and take a look at the clasp right here. So this watch is fully linked right now, has all the links on it. Here's that beautiful tri-fold clasp. That's what Rolex calls it. We have that beautiful crown logo on there. And I'm going to slowly work my way up, showing you a nice little pillow roll. It's a little difficult with all the links on there. There you go. Let's go ahead and take it off and take a closer look at the condition. So we do have, again, a beautiful sapphire crystal, nice clean bezel, and nice clean stainless steel case. Everything looking very, very pristine. Here's the left side case, side of the links and clasp. You can see just how beautiful everything is and how clean it is. Here's the top left of the watch. Here's the top side of the bracelet and the case. Nice, beautiful Oyster links. Here's the top right. Here's that beautiful crown side. Sides of the links and sides of the clasp. Nice and clean as well. Here's the bottom right. Here's the bottom of the bracelet and the case. Here's the bottom left. Here is the tri-fold clasp. There's that beautiful open clasp. You have the clasp logo. It says Geneva Swiss made. Steel inox for the clasp material. And finally, we got that beautiful, beautiful case back. Looking super, super clean. I want to show you that it does come with full links. So on this longer side right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 links. Shorter side, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 12.5 with this micro adjustment link. Showing you that it snaps into place perfectly. There you go. Moving on, we do have the function. So we have a screw down crown on this right side. Let's go ahead and unscrew it. You can pull the crown out to adjust the time. So there's no date on this watch. But I'm still going to go ahead and do a full 24-hour sweep just so you can see that it is working perfectly. There you go. We have the chronograph pushers, which unscrew. And something commonly known about the Daytona is that when these pushers are unscrewed, it kind of looks like a stopwatch. And it's meant to look like that because the Daytona was made for racing and racing cars. Or the racetrack, I mean. So as you can see, it kind of looks like a stopwatch now. And what we can do is we can press this top pusher to start the chronograph. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. And then I can pause it. And while it's paused, we can reset it back exactly at the 12 o'clock position. So just to tell you a little bit about what these subdials mean, we have the 6 o'clock position subdial, which counts the seconds. So that's small seconds hand. We have the chronograph subdials. So this right one measures every single minute and it goes up to 30 minutes. So every time this right subdial makes one rotation, the left side subdial actually moves one space over. And this left subdial counts up to 12 hours with every space being 30 minutes. So it counts up to 12 hours, every space being 30 minutes, and then every marker being 1 hour. Okay, let's go ahead and screw that in. Screw in all the pushers. And then lastly, let's go ahead and take a look at the set contents. So in the back here, we do have a Rolex green hang tag. We have your Cosmograph Daytona manual booklet. We have your guarantee manual worldwide service booklet. You have your green leather wallet. And in the front here, we do have the warranty card with the serial number and the reference number 116500LN. Let's go ahead and put that away. I'm going to go ahead and clasp this up. Let's go ahead and put this watch back in the box. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.